Konstantin Fyodorovich Bogaevsky was born 1872, died February 17, 1943, was a Ukrainian and Russian painter from Crimea, notable for his Symbolist landscapes. In 1902 to 1903, Konstantin Bogaevsky created a series of paintings based on the familiar Crimean landscapes. For a long time after that, he painted landscapes, not tied to particular places, in which the influence of Böcklin and Klimt is noticeable. They are characterized by special lighting, originating from several stains of color, and expressive skies. Besides Klimt, parallels in Western European painting can be found in Giovanni Segantini, influenced by Maximilian Voloshin. Bogayevsky paints the so-called Cimmerian cycle of paintings. From 1906, after long isolation and military service in Kerch, philosophical motifs associated with loneliness and the smallness of man appear in Bogayevsky's work. After a trip to Europe, starting in 1910, Bogayevsky painted classical landscapes, clearly inspired by German and Italian Renaissance masters, as well as by the undoubted influence of Claude Lorraine, from whom Bogayevsky borrowed the idea of lighting. In 1912, Bogayevsky painted 3 panels for the Moscow residence of Stepan Ryabushensky.